the hitching post. Ta-da! Let's see, how do I remove the bottom? Oh, it's stuck. What do I do? I remember, the triangle part you push up and the ball part you squeeze together. So you push up and squeeze and pull. Ta-da! Good job. So I want to practice putting the clutch on and off of the hitching post. So let's put it on, and I'm just going to slide it right onto the post. And I just want to push to make sure that it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to pull on just the triangle part. Don't pull on the ball part. Nope, don't do that. Only the triangle part. You can pull on it to make sure that it's nice and tight. Now to remove, remember, we're going to take the triangle part and push it up and then squeeze where the ball and the triangle part stay separated. So we're going to push that up and then squeeze our fingers together and it comes right off. So let's try that again. We're just going to slide that on. We're going to test it, always test it, and we're going to push that up and squeeze and pull off. And that's it. Yay! Okay, I want to show you how I put beads onto a hitching post. So here I have a little black bird. Then I have my all-seeing eye with the heart on the back of it. I'm going to put that up there. And then I did a piece with my brother's face. So I painted my brother on this bead. His name's Chris. And we're just going to put that on there. And see that length? It's a little bit too long. It should only be 1/4 of an inch. The clutch needs 1/4 of an inch length of post for it to grab a hold of. So now that's perfect. So I'm going to take the clutch and I'm going to push it on. And remember, we want to test to make sure that's tight. Always test it. Yep, that feels tight. But I'm going to push it on again and test it again. Do not pull on that ball. Ever. Don't pull on that ball because it'll loosen it. Only the triangle part. There we go. And then I'm going to take this cord, and it's a 2.5 millimeter cord, and it slides right in. That's awesome. And there we go. There's a piece for my brother Chris.